Friday, the 8th of January, 180 Youth will be happening online, so make sure you join in and get in touch with us if you need the Zoom link for that. This month we'll be hosting our Alpha Online course, which is for 6 weeks every Thursday evening starting from this Thursday the 7th of January. So if you would like to explore life, faith and meaning, or you know someone who might be interested, then why not encourage them or yourself to sign up on our website and join us as we explore and discuss all the big questions of life. You now have 3 opportunities to come join us in church on a Sunday for our services. You can either join us for our watch parties at 10:45 every morning on a Sunday, or you can join us in the evenings at 6 and 7:15 p.m. for a shorter physical service. You must book in online as spaces are limited, but you can do that on our website and Church Suite, so why not join us? Kids Dream is going to be back from this Friday, so make sure that you join us for a brand new series with a brand new theme. So you can join us on Fridays at 6:30 p.m. or on Sunday mornings at 10 a.m. So why not join us for some fun, some games and some great lessons from the Bible. You can join us on xlchurch.online.church, or you can get us on YouTube. See you there. So don't forget, Connect groups are meeting this week, and it will be the first Connect group meeting of the new year, which is exciting. And that's all for church news. So if you'd like any more information, you can head to our website or get us on social media to keep updated with all things XL Church. Have a great week, guys.